In this video, we want to use drawing tab to create new shapes for our slideshow. As you can see in drawing tab, we have different drawing tools. For example, we have pen, highlighter, fountain pen, and other tools to draw our shapes in PowerPoint slides. For example, I will choose this pencil and draw a new shape in my slide. Okay, if you need to change its settings, you can click here and, for example, increase the thickness or change the color. Let me choose this pen. I can use different styles, for example, this style with this thickness, and use the pencil to draw a star. The other option is to select them. You can select the shape and move them. We can use ruler. For example, this is PowerPoint ruler. If you need to change its rotation and degree, you can scroll up and down your mouse wheel to change its rotation. By each scroll, it will change 1 degree, increase or decrease in your uh, rotation. And you can use this ruler to draw lines. For example, I will draw a line by this ruler like this. And this is my straight lines in the specified degree. Another option is to change ink to shape. For example, I can change these uh, inks to shapes and use them. I can use ink to mask. I have described it in previous video. For example, 2 plus 2 to write mask, and we can see ink reply like this to see the drawing, and we have a lasso to select a part of our shape. Okay, there are different tools you can use, and you can go to shape format and change your shape design by your